This time? That's good.
Still learning.
She's a young dog. Let me get the
Good girl, Annie. Good girl, baby. Good girl, baby.
All right, grab her collar, keep recording, pick her up, and choke her out, and just collar off. You gotta pick her straight up.
Off. Off.
There you go.
Good off. Good off, Annie. Good
All right.
off, Annie.
All right, well, take your stance.
I'm trying.
There you go.
I'm still learning how to handle.
That's okay. You see how when you put both hands in front?
Makes a big difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, it even feels more comfortable.
Hey! Just be a post. Don't move. Hey! You want her to bark? That's close, close. It's almost there. Almost there. Good girl.
Good girl.
All right, run around me.
Good girl, Annie. Come. Annie, come. Good girl, Annie. Good girl, Annie. Good girl, baby.
Say the command.
Good girl, Annie. Annie. Guard.
Hey! Good job, Wendy.
Good girl, Annie. What? Good girl, Annie. Come. Annie, come. Good girl, Annie. Good girl, baby. Good girl, baby.
Go out further. There you go. Pull it, run.
Come on, girl. Good girl, Annie. Good girl, baby.